Not in the words, it's all in the energy, right? It's all about energy, not all matter or the statements or something else like that. It's an energy part. They have given some words. It's just like giving a definition for any. Karna sir, principal sir, for giving us this permission for granting this rhapsody. I think we have placed the students not as a unity before he was granting the permission for conducting this test. Okay, later proceedings and further the things are preceded by our friends. So let's welcome them.
Dragging and rolling and rugging.
Good evening to all of you. Sorry for the delay. Just 1 minute, please. We welcome you, sir.
It's my privilege and honor.
So there was this DJ who was like kicking
We
off.
welcome you, sir.
We welcome you, sir.
It gives me immense pleasure to welcome Sri G.V. Sagar, teaching faculty.
It is my honor to invite Vice Principal of SVUC, Professor T. Mallikarjuna, who is known for his simplicity. May I now request you to come out to the dais and occupy the chair. We welcome you, sir.
Function to come over to the dais and occupy the chair.
I request Professor K.M. Banu, coordinator of Rhapsody 2K15 function to
क्या वजूद मेरा हम तेरे बिन अब रह नहीं सकते तेरे बिना क्या वजूद मेरा
I extend my warm welcome to print and electronic media.
भवसुतं विनायकं भक्तादिपोषकं भवसुतं विनायकं भक्तिमुक्तिप्रदं भूषिताङ्गं रक्तपदाम्बुजं भावयामि शक्तिसहितगणपतिं शङ्करादिसेवितं विरक्तसकलमुनिवरसुरराजविनुतगुरुगुह सुरराजविनुतगुरुगुहं सुरराजविनुतगुरुगुहम्
Respected dignitaries on the dais, Professor J. Karthikeyan Garu, the president of today's function, the chief guest of the function, Professor W. Rajendra, the vice chancellor, SV University, Professor M. Chandrasekhar Garu, the registrar, NIT Warangal, distinguished guest and alumnus of the college, Sri SV Sagar Garu, faculty from Silpakala Sala, TTD, the vice principal of the function, Professor Mallikarjun Garu, coordinator, Professor K.M. Banu Garu, other committee members, invitees, students, research scholars, ladies and gentlemen, a very good evening to all of you. It gives an immense pleasure to me to give a brief information with regard to the Rhapsody 2015. SV University College of Engineering is one of the premier institutions in our country, established in the year 1959. It is an autonomous institute of Sri Venkateswara University, Tirupati, which is established in the year 1954, sprawling over an area of 1,000 acres under the feet of Lord Venkateswara. Over the years, the institute has produced marvelous engineers who are occupying very high positions like scientists, the managing directors, the executive engineers, the superintendent engineers, and in world-class organizations and the institutes. This institute deserves its position as premier institute of departmental events. Rhapsody is a 3-day multi-event cultural festival displaying the exalted expression of feelings of Sri Venkateswara University College of members and the student coordinators to extend their full cooperation and help to the outstation participants for their comfortable stay during this 3 days event. Finally, I request all the faculty members, the students to extend their full cooperation and make this function successful and memorable. Thank you one and all. Jai Hind.
Today's function, Professor J. Karthikeyan, Principal of Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering, to address the students. Please come, sir.
Professor Rajendra Garu, Honorable Vice Chancellor of our University, who is Chief Guest of today's eve. The distinguished guest, Professor M. Chandrasekhar, Vice Principal Professor Mallikarjuna, Coordinators Sangameshwar Raju and Professor Bhanu, my dear faculty members, dear students, parents, invitees, other participants. Greetings to you all on this occasion and also good evening to you all. The joke is less. Yes. Yes. That's good. Your visual levels are very good. For the past 10 days, our college wears a festive look, a festive atmosphere. Students are very busy in organizing their student symposiums as well as in participating in various events of Rhapsody. They were even staying late in the night and then doing all the works. The harmony in which the students are working, the spirit in which the students are working, and the enthusiasm with which the students are working has really made us very happy. This sort of bonhomie should continue forever so that there will be a sort of universal brotherhood among all. As you all know, this is the 26th edition of Rhapsody. Last year we could not conduct because of certain reasons, but this year again we are conducting. This is 26th event. It's a sort of intercollegiate competitions involving several colleges, as rightly pointed out, a multi-event cultural festival that will be there for 3 days. So on this occasion, I would like to congratulate all the students who have put in their efforts, untiring efforts, who are working behind the scenes to make this event a reality. I really thank all the students, and I do not want to talk much also because a lot of cultural events are awaiting. I would only like to say that you should all maintain the discipline, the decency and the dignity of the college. Rhapsody was born even before you were born. Therefore, it is your bounden duty to maintain decency and dignity of this event as well as this college. So I expect, I hope all the students will fall in line. I thank the organizers for giving this opportunity. Eventually, we are also conducting the gold medal award functions, which we could not conduct for the past 2 years. So this year, even gold medal awards will be given away along with this. I thank you all.
Very much, sir, for your thought-provoking speech.
Now, may I now request Vice Principal of SUCE, Professor P. Mallikarjuna, to address the students.
President of today's function, Professor Karthikeyan, Principal of the Institute, the Chief Guest of this inaugural function of Rhapsody 2015, Professor Rajendra Garu, Vice Chancellor of the University, the distinguished guest, Professor M. Chandrasekhar from NIT Warangal, Sri Sagar from Shilpa Kalashala, TTD, coordinators of the event, Professor Bhanu and Professor Tangameswar Raju, students of this institute and from other sister institutions, faculty, ladies and gentlemen. Very good evening to all of you. So I am very happy to be associated myself with this inaugural function of Rhapsody 2015. As all of you know, the college has been organizing this event as an extracurricular activity for 3 days. It's a cultural festival. So as you are aware, this festival provides you a platform to express yourselves and also to exhibit your hidden talents. What I suggest you is you all enthusiastically participate in all the events. conducted as a part of this program and make the event a grand success and also memorable one. After completion of these 3 days, I hope that you will have regeneration of your energy and you can concentrate on your studies, read well and do well in the ensuing examination and finally come out with good academic excellence. So hope that you all cooperate, the coordinators, and participate in various events of the program and also maintain decency and decorum of the program. Thank you.
Come to read the biodata of distinguished guest Professor M. Chandrasekhar Register, NIT Warangal.
Dr. M. Chandrasekhar, who is the distinguished visiting guest of today's function, Registrar, NIT Warangal. I feel proud to say that Professor M. Chandrasekhar is the alumni of SVUCE. He completed both PG and UG in our institute itself. He obtained doctoral work from NIT Warangal. He has got 18 years of experience at NIT Warangal and 5 years he was heading Java Knowledge Centers. He is guiding 4 PhD students and guided 27 masters. He excelled in whatever the administration post he held. He was BOS member for various institutions. Some of his achievements are he expanded the JKC program to 800 plus colleges from 250 plus colleges. He initiated training programs on modules employable skills to JKC students. He is an active consulting engineer and conducts a lot of R for improving the quality of education, wisdom and gave motivational lectures to a number of students. Thank you.
Dignitaries on the dais, chief guest of the function, Professor Rajendra Garu, my teachers, Professor Karthikeyan, Professor Mallikarjunan, faculty of the institute, dear students and the invitees. I was here 30 years back on that side. I was a student here. I used to make bigger noise than what you are making right now. Whenever there was a cultural event, especially my group, I had a big group, lot of friends. I only believe when you are in college, you have to have lot of friends because these are the friends who will be available for you for advice, for help, for anything later on in the life. And even now, many of the faculty here are my teachers, most of the senior members. Some of them are my good friends, maybe my contemporaries, my own classmates. Even now, when I am here, though I am here on this stage, my memories are very fresh. What I used to do when I was on the other side, maybe. When I was here, we didn't have this open air auditorium. For any activity, either we had room number 100, or we inquire this one with either Pradeep Kumar or Professor Mallikarjuna, because they were they were my teachers, but more like friends, even Pradeep Kumar and Professor Mallikarjuna. I used to share all my things. I never had any hesitation to go to teacher, whether it is my personal thing or whatever. But today what is lacking is, I never find students coming and discussing anything with teachers. Unfortunately, I don't know what's the reason. I tried to get into the minds of students why they don't come. The only reason I found was they were very hesitant. They did not have confidence to go and tell teacher that I want to do this, what is your opinion? That is my observation, maybe I am wrong. Then, coming to Rhapsody, I mean, when I was very happy to participate in all these events, but then I never realized why all these events are there in life and why you have to participate, what is the reason. But if I really look back today, these events actually help you in personality development. Those things which you don't learn in your curriculum, because 4 years of curriculum that you had when you go to a job, or when you become an entrepreneur, or when you go into a professional career, subject alone is not sufficient. You need to have several skills. These skills are